Now, if you can remember, is that we can draw a plot and then we can add that plot to a specific device, and then later we have to close that device. But when it comes to ggplot2, we can make use of ggsave function, right? In order to save that object, and we want to specify in which format. Okay, so for example, we have already created this ggplot2 as an object, right? We already have created this, which is my qplot. So in this case, we simply just have to say ggsave, right? And then we want to give the file name, right? The file name, and say, for example, this is my qplot dot, let's say we want to save this as an image, right? And then we come in here and say my qplot, and if you run this, so you see now is that it's saving this as an image, right? If you go to your working directly, you should be seeing this image. Remember, it's my qplot.png. So you should be seeing this image. What happened is that this function will handle the opening and closing of the devices for us. So we do not have to specify that we want to close the device or we want to open the device. So what happens is that it will open and close the device for us. Okay, it will select the device based on the file extension that we have provided. In this case, we had a PNG file, right? So that is how we can also handle devices using ggplot2. If we want to add this new plot that we have customized by adding the title, the X labels, as well as the Y labels. Okay, so in order to do that, we can simply just say, we come in here and say my qplot. We now update this object and we run this. Okay, and then we come and say ggsave, and then we say we want the file name to be, say for example, my qplot2.png, and then come and say my qplot, right? And then if you run this, now if you go to your working direct, and let's try to go to your working directly and open my qplot2.png. If you go to your working directly and open my qplot2.png, you notice that now my qplot object was updated. Okay, and now we have added the X labels and the Y labels as well as the X labels according to the way we want, and we also have the type. So if you want to add your customized plot, that is how you can do it.